Greetings to you, and today we'll be doing the major chords, the minor chords, and then the diminished chords. What does it mean by major chord, minor chord, and diminished chord? First of all, before we continue, I will take you through the major scale. We'll be doing the examples in the key of C, C major. And so when we talk of a major chord, taking into consideration the major scale of C, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First, okay, I'm taking it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is the major scale of C. Okay, so we have been giving them numbers. So the do is given a number, which we term as degree 1. Re is 2, mi is 3, fa is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, and then you get back to your 1. And so to form a major scale, we use a formula called the 135. But in this session, I'm going to use the counting method. There are a lot of ways you can find the major chords and minor chords. But in this session, we'll be using the counting method, which you see on the screen. On the major scale, you see 1, 3, 5. That is first, third, and fifth. Then you see 4 and 3. What does it mean? So this is our major C major note. Okay, I want to find the major chord of this C. The formula is telling us to count 4 from this note. We count 4 from this note, including all black keys. Note it. Then, if you count 4, you'll get your third. And then, from your third, you count 3. This is what I mean. So, this is my notes. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if I count 4, I get my third. Alright? Then, from the third, I count 3 steps to get my fifth. So I go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how we find it. I'm taking it again. From your first, or from the note you want to form the chord on, you count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to land on your third. Then from this third, you count 2 to get your fifth. So from here you go you count 3 to get your fifth. So you go 1, 2, 3. Then this gives you the chord of C major. C major. Let's use another example. Assuming I'm in the key of, let's say, C sharp, and I want to find the chord of this C sharp. It is the same principle. From here, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I get my third. Then from this third, I count another 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 to get my fifth. Then you play it as the chord of C major, like this. Okay. Okay. Let me use one more example. In the key of F sharp, for instance. This our F sharp notes. Now, from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4. We land here. Then from here we count 1, 2, 3. We land here. Then we play together. Okay. So this is what I mean, right? Okay. So that is all about major chords. Then how do we find minor chords? A minor chord is simply a major chord with a flat 3. I take it again. A minor chord is a major chord with flat 3. So let me use the case of C. C major. So from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We get our C major chord. After getting the C major chord, if you want to get the C minor chord, we already know that the formula is 1, 3, 5. So to get your C minor chord, what we do is we bring the third back 1 step. That is what we say flat 3, because movement from this side to this side is termed as flat as I explained in previous videos. And so from here to here gives our C minor. So this is one way you find the minor chords. So let me use another example. In the case of C sharp, from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here we count 3, 1, 2, 3 to get our C sharp major chord. Alright. Now from here, if you want to form the C sharp minor chord, what we do is just bring this back just one step. Okay. Alright. So that's all about minor chords. Another way we can find a minor chord is that when we were finding the major chords, we said we count 4, then 3. But the formula for finding the minor chord will be the vice versa. We first count 3, then afterwards we count 4 to get our fifth. Okay, so from here we count 1, 2, 3. Okay, then from here the third we count another 1, 2, 3, 4 to get our fifth. So you understand it. So in simple terms, the formulas are for the major and minor are 4, 3, and 3, 4 respectively. Okay. If you don't understand anything, put it in the comment section and I will make sure you understand it. Now there is another chord we know as the diminished chord. So this diminished chord, diminished, the term implies that shrunk. Something diminished means something small. It is given the name due to its size or the shape of it. And to form the diminished chord using C sharp, C major for example. So to form the diminished chord, one way to form it is that diminished chord is a minor chord with a flat 5. So we got to know that this is our C minor chord. C minor. If I want to form the C diminished chord, what I do is I flat the 5. Alright. You see how small it is? That's why it gets the name diminished. Small. Okay. This is our C major chord. This is our C minor chord. And this is our C diminished chord. Okay. So that's it. Diminished chord. Let's use the example in C sharp. Okay. So we get it in C sharp. C sharp, we get our minor. From here we flat the third, we get our minor. Then if you want to get a diminished, what we do is we flat this. For the purpose of those players in key of F, I'm going to do it in the key of F. So this is our key of F. If you want to form the chord of the F major, we count 1, the major chord, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then from here we count 1, 2, 3 to get our C major chord. If we want to form the C minor chord, what we do is we bring the third back 1. That's all. Then if you want to form the F major diminished, what we do is we bring the fifth back 1. Right. So that's all about major, minor, diminished. Now, how do we use this? In every scale, every note of the scale has a chord. For instance, in the key of C, we get Mi. Okay, so how do we get it? Note that in every key on the scale, 3 of the keys or 3 of the chords are major chords and 3 of the chords are minor chords, and then 1 diminished, making 7. Okay, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 of these are major, 3 are minor, and the remaining 1 is a diminished chord. Which ones have majors? The first, the fourth, and the fifth. These are the major chords, or the notes on which we form major chords. So if you want to form major chords in the key of C, you know this will be a major. So 1, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you get your 1. we know that 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth also will form a major chord. So from here you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You get your major chord. Then the fifth, this one, will form another major chord. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So afterwards you put them together to 1, 4, 5. Alright. 1, 4, 5. Now the minor chords will be the second, the third, and the sixth notes. So this is our second in the key of C. So if you get a second here, we are going to form the minor chord. And the minor chord is a major chord with a flat 3. So we form the major chord first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Then we bring it back 1 to get our minor. Now this is our third. We form the third also by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then we bring it back. Or simply put 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. As the formula shows on the screen. Then the sixth. This is our sixth. Okay, in the key of C. So we do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the last key or notes, which will be the diminished, will be the seventh, the T, Do. Okay, T, Do. This is a diminished. And how do you find it? It's 3, 3. So from here we count 1, 2, 3 to get our third. Then we count 1, 2, 3 to get another third. This is our diminished. Okay. Then after we put all together to form the chords of the scale. That is major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminish the smaller baby. Then you get back to your 1. Okay. Let me do this in the key of F. So this is our F. In the key of F, this is going to be, the major scale is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, this is our 1. And the 1 is going to form a major chord. Then our 4 is also going to form a major chord. Then our fifth. So these are going to be the major chord. Then our second, third, and then sixth are going to be the minor. Then the last one is going to be the diminished. So what you do is, the major, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then you know the second is minor. So this one will be minor. So you go 1, 2, 3. Your minor is 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you know the third. Third is also a minor. So from here you count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then fourth is a major. So you know from here you count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then the fifth is also a major. Then you count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then the sixth is a minor. So you count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then our last key or note, which will be the diminished, we count 3, 3. So you go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then after you put all together, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, then diminished. Okay, so that's all about major chord, minor chord, and diminished chord. With this concept, you can form the major chord and minor and the diminished in every key, all the 12 keys. So with this concept, I can form it in the key of C sharp. Okay, B, so, T. Okay, so you can apply it in every key. D, key of D. Then you go to your. Okay, so that's all about it. Thank you and see you in the next video.